Sure, let's talk about the Green EQ recipe. It's one of those recipes where efficiency meets health. You know, the kind of thing you can toss together in under 10 minutes but still feel like a functioning adult. Let's dive in. Start with the basics, kale and spinach. A couple handfuls will do. Think of them as the MVPs here, packed with vitamins A, C, and K. If you hate the taste of kale, trust me, you won't notice it by the end. Spinach is the smoother wingman, balancing kale's bite. Next comes the banana. Don't skip this. It's the key to masking any bitterness from the greens. Plus, bananas bring potassium to the party, which is a lifesaver if you've had too much caffeine. Pro tip, freeze your bananas. It thickens the texture and adds a milkshake vibe. Add half an avocado. Yeah, the expensive fruit, but hear me out. It's worth it. Avocados make this recipe insanely creamy and add heart-healthy fats. No, you can't taste it. Even avocado haters are surprised. Just trust the process. You'll need a splash of almond milk or coconut water if you're feeling fancy. About a cup should suffice. This is where you adjust based on your preference. Thicker for a spoonable smoothie bowl or thinner for a drinkable blend. Personalize it. Now for the secret ingredient, a scoop of vegan protein powder. Protein is the ingredient most people forget to include, but it makes this smoothie a full meal. Aim for one that complements fruity flavors. Vanilla works like a charm. A tablespoon of chia seeds goes in next. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses: protein, omega-3s, fiber. Throw them in. They'll thicken the smoothie slightly if left to sit. So blend and drink fast if you're in a rush. Time to sweeten it up. Use a splash of maple syrup or a date or two. Dates are my go-to because they're natural and high in antioxidants, but they don't crank the sweetness up too far. 1 or 2 is all you need. For flavor, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Citrus levels up the taste and helps smooth out those green flavors that can turn people off. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C. Think of it as flavor and functionality rolled together. Optional, but game-changing. Throw in a few mint leaves. Trust me, this will make your green smoothie taste like a spa day. Mint is surprisingly bold, so just 2 or 3 leaves can elevate the entire thing. Be careful not to overdo it. Last, blend everything for 30 to 60 seconds. Use high speed if you want it silky smooth. Low-quality blenders might struggle with kale, so chop that up first or invest in a machine that doesn't sound like it's dying when you use it. Pour it into a glass or bowl, depending on your preferred vibe. Top it with whatever makes you smile: granola, coconut flakes, or cacao nibs. Boom! You've not only made a smoothie, you've made a statement. Health doesn't have to taste like suffering.